Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to swap USDT to BNB and Bybit. So your first step would be to open up the Bybit centralized exchange. All you need to do is click on the assets menu at the bottom right. Click on funding and then you'd find the amount of USDT you have in your wallet. With this information, head back to the home section, click on convert, and where we have Bitcoin to USDT, simply switch their places so it says USDT to Bitcoin, and now in place of Bitcoin, simply search for BNB. So use this opportunity to search for BNB, click on the Binance coin, and then enter an amount of USDT you'd like to convert into the BNB coin. By simply clicking on quote, you can get that amount. And alright guys, so once you've entered the amount of USDT you'd like to convert, simply click on quote and you would have successfully converted your USDT into BNB on Bybit. So guys, that's how it's done. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.